Hello everyone, this is Chaitra. Today we are going to talk about deep learning. The word deep in deep learning refers to the number of layers through which the data is transformed. What is deep learning? Deep learning is an artificial intelligence function that imitates the working of the human brain in the processing data and creating pattern for use in the decision making. And also deep learning is an subset machine language. So let us get to know about working of deep learning. Deep learning has evolved hand in hand with a digital era which has brought about an explosion of data in all form and from every region of the world. This data is simply known as big data. Takeaways. Deep learning is an AI function that mimics the working of the human brains in processing data for use in the recognizing speech, transforming language and making decision. Deep learning AI is able to learn without human drawings for data that is both unstructured and unlabeled. Data learning, a form of machine language, can be used to help delegate money among other functions. Deep learning is used across all industries for a number of different tasks. Commercial apps that use image recognition, open source platform with consumer recommendation apps. Most modern deep learning models are based on artificial neural networks, specifically CNNs, although they can also include propositional formulas. Deep learning architecture can be constructed with a greedy layer by layer methods to disentangle those abstraction and pick out with features improve performance. Conclusions on deep learning. There are many types of deep learning. Different kinds of DNN variation on architecture and training algorithms etc. Very fastest growing area. Thank you. Have a nice day.